What's up, everyone? My name is Christopher Jax, and this is a pellet gun. Basically, I'm gonna show you how to actually load it. Alright? Basically, what you do, you bend it like this, and then there's like a little hole right here. Basically, all you do, you load it up, and basically that's all you do. Sorry for that ding, that I just got a text message. But let me go get a bullet where I can show you actually how to use it. Alright, I am back. Basically, you keep your hand like this before you shoot. You have to aim down the sight before you even put your hand on the trigger. And you put it like this. See where the handle's at? All you do, you catch your target, you aim to where you want. That's basically all you do. Not that hard. So, hopefully I taught you guys something today about a pellet gun or a BB gun or whatever, same thing. Hopefully I did. So, message me if you want. Later.